Hello friends, as I told you, we have learned much to make our own HTML page. So in this video, we are going to make our own HTML page. So as I have told you that we can make our HTML page on any text editor. So I am using WordPad here, but you can use Notepad or other text editors. So first of all, we will put HTML tag as I have told you in my last video that it is like the breads of a sandwich without which the HTML page is incomplete. After that, we will put the head tag. Head tag is very important because after this you tell this comes in the headings or in the uh, body part. So we have entered our head part and we close this tag. So you see, I have closed this tag. Now comes the thing which makes a bit difference, the the body tag. So in the body tag you can type of the stuff that you want to be displayed on the screen. For example, I am going to type my name. Now we are going to close this tag. After that, we move on to another tag which is a title tag. So what title tag comes after head tag? So title tag is like the title of your page, that if you have used internet, then you might have seen the things inside tabs. This comes under title tag like this. So we create this tag and we name this our page, first page, and we close this tag. So friends, on this note I would like to tell you all that it's not necessary that you type all of them in the caps lock. It was my mistake, that's why they are in caps lock. Now we save it. So you see, it's going to be saved in document section, like I save it with name our first page with the extension of .html. As I told you, if you don't enter this extension, the page is not valid and it will open up as text editor. I will show you it here. So you see, the name is our first page .html and we save it in the document part. So it will ask you that you want to do it. If we click on yes, it will be done. Now we move on to the viewing of our page. So this is how our first page looks like. So this is what we have entered in the body, my name, and this is what we have typed between the title tag. So I hope you got what is title tag. So this is how will your page will look like. Thank you friends for watching this video. My name is Faraz. You are watching my channel. Please visit my website kidwaiacademy.wordpress.com. Thank you.